everyone, my name is Erica. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my cold brew coffee at home. I think it's so much better than just regular old iced coffee, and it's so easy to make. You are going to love it. I think it's better than Starbucks cold brew. Alright everybody, I'm going to be walking you through my cold brew machine and all the different pieces it has. This is an OXO machine. I think it cost me about $30, but don't feel like you have to buy this exact one. There are plenty of different options for cold brew machines. This one is a bit large. It takes up a lot of space, so you can find ones that are smaller. Some are even like pitchers in themselves, so you can definitely find something that's going to suit your needs. Alright, so this is the filter. You can buy paper filters that go in addition to this. I think my machine actually came with some, but I didn't buy any more because I didn't have a need to. The mesh was fine enough that my coffee wasn't getting through, and unless you have super fine coffee, I don't see why you would need to get the paper filters. So this is fine. This is just going to go into the bottom here, and then this is going to screw on. Alright, and this here is just the glass. It looks scientific, it looks like a beaker, it's just the glass, and it goes underneath here, and it's going to catch the coffee when you push this down. So we're going to keep it up for now, but that just holds the coffee. This is the lid. It's got all these little holes in it so that when you pour the water in, it evenly disperses onto your coffee and no mixing is required. I already ground my coffee. You want to grind it as close to when you're going to use it as possible so you lock in as much flavor as you can. I ground about a cup of coffee. The ratio is 1 to 4 for coffee to water. So for every 1 cup of coffee, you're going to want to do 4 cups of water. And you can adjust that as you feel necessary. That is the ratio that I personally use. I'm just going to dump the coffee inside. I'm going to give it a little shake to make sure it's all even. Then I'm going to put the lid on and pour 4 cups of water all over the coffee. There's no need to stir it here. I'm going to let that sit for anywhere between 12 and 24 hours. It is whatever your preference is. The longer you let it sit, the stronger it's going to be. Alright, you can see my coffee brewing in the back here. I just wanted to pop in here with a side note. I think that dark roast with especially like nutty and chocolatey notes tastes the best with my cold brew. I do know a few coffee shops who actually use like a medium roast for their cold brew because they like those like fruitier notes that you're gonna get with a medium roast that you really don't get as much when you use a dark roast. Okay, as you can see, I've already drank my coffee. I didn't think you needed to see me pushing the button down because that's literally all you have to do. So I just pushed the button down, I let it drain for maybe like 10 minutes because it took a little bit of time to do so. And now I'm just gonna pour it into a mason jar. It actually fits perfectly in this mason jar, which I love. Alright, so now I'm ready to prepare my actual coffee. The creamer that I use is Vanilla Cream by Bailey's. You can use whatever creamer you want. You don't have to use creamer. A lot of people enjoy their cold brew black because it is so smooth in flavor. You don't necessarily need creamer. I just like a little bit of flavor in there. You could absolutely put some like Monin or Tarani pumps in there. I would recommend about 2 for the serving that I'm about to do here. It is totally your preference. And there you have it. That is my cold brew. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Till next time.